sort of do it a public sort of health and safety announcement here. A lot of you have probably got these type of plastic chairs you can be had for between $5 and $15, I think, from all the hardwares and the other joints that you can buy, your lawn furniture or whatever you'd like to call it. Basically, they're good when they're fresh out the box, but when they're been around a while, they develop a bit of a crack in here sometimes, and they can have you sitting on the ground. Just in the side of the front leg there, you'll get like a little crack. So then if you don't got any traction on the bottom of the leg, she'll just like flare out and you end up sitting on the ground. There's a few ways you can go about making them safe. I've seen people whip out the plastic welder and put a bit of material in and close up the crack. I've got a different make safe method. I'll show you that in a second.